Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Dictation exercise number 35 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। कल आपका पंजाब हरियाणा कोड का जो एग्ज़ाम हुआ था काफ़ी मतलब फर्स्ट और सेकंड शिफ्ट का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो ठीक ठाक ही आया हुआ था। जो बच्चा अच्छे से मतलब 5 या 6 महीने से तैयारी कर रहा है उसका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा। अब आपका अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम आएगा चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट का, जो उसके लिए हम यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर करेंगे अपनी डिक्टेशन को। बी रेडी एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स 5 सेकेंड। So, except in very serious cases of fraud, we cannot use this. So, I have amended that provision, and the normal provisions under the CRPC will apply as far as bail is concerned. Now, the provisions are being amended were referred to by Sri Rahman Khan are relating to the mandatory capital limit. Similarly, the whole idea of a company seal has now started becoming almost a relic as far as global laws are concerned. So, our law is being brought to this level. The third amendment relates to deposits if there is provision in accepting deposits, and if money company violates that and still accepts deposits, a provision was enacted but punishment for violation was forgotten to put in. So that gap has to be filled by up virtue of an amendment. The next provision is with regard to inspection of records of companies. Now AGM resolutions are meant for public display, but broad resolutions are not. A broad resolution of a company may actually contain confidential things. You have a private company or a public company, its entire corporate strategy may be contained in the board's resolution. The manner in which its financial strategy may be contained in that, its intellectual property strategy may be contained in it. It may contain saying that this is going to be the name of my product, this is going to be the patient that I am going to ask for, etc. So those are not available for public display anywhere. So this act obliterated the distinction between a board resolution and the AGM resolution. Hence a co-reaction had to be done. There was another lapse that has taken place. There was a provision for setting up of past losses and depreciation before declaring dividend. If you have accumulated losses first, you can note for those accumulated losses and only then the shareholders get dividends. Now this provision was put under the rules without putting it in the act. So the gap as far as drafting is concerned has to be rectified. Similarly, there is a transferring equity shares for which unclaimed dividend has to be transferred to the investor education fund. Now the rule is that for 7 years, if dividend is not claimed, then that is to be transferred. Now there was a drafting error into this, that even if it is not claimed for 1 year, there was a little ambiguous drafting which has to be corrected. Full stop. स्टूडेंट जिन स्टूडेंट का अच्छा एग्ज़ाम नहीं हुआ है वो मतलब टेंशन ना लें। जो आपके आगे भी एग्ज़ाम आएंगे, एसएससी के आएंगे, डीएसएसबी के काफ़ी सारी वैकेंसीज आने वाली हैं, उसमें आप ट्राई करना, अच्छे से मेहनत करना। आपको ये देखना है कि हमारी कहाँ पे हमारी कमी रह गई, क्यों टेस्ट नहीं हुआ हमारी टाइपिंग में कमी रह गई है या शॉर्ट हैंड में कमी रह गई है। उस कमी को आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें, मतलब कमी को दूर करें, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करें, टाइपिंग की करें या शॉर्ट हैंड की करें, अच्छे से करो और आपका जो आगे वाला एग्ज़ाम होगा उसमें हो जाएगा आपका टेस्ट क्लियर। थैंक यू।